Namaskar, Khusro Vidya, myself Javian Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is reflex activity. Reflex activity is the response to a peripheral nervous stimulation that occurs without our consciousness. It is a type of protective mechanism and it protects the body from irreparable damages. When, for example, when hand is placed on a hot object, it is withdrawn immediately when a bright light is thrown into the eyes. Eyelids are closed and pupil is contracted to prevent the damage of retina by entrance of excessive light into the eyes. Reflex arc. Reflex arc is the anatomical nervous pathway for a reflex action. A simple reflex arc includes five components. So in this diagram, we can easily see this is receptor, this is afferent fiber taking impulses from receptor to center. After center means brain or spinal cord, afferent nerve fiber release and it act on muscle. Receptor is the end organ which receive the stimulus. When receptor is stimulated, impulse are generated in afferent nerve. Afferent or sensory nerve transmits sensory impulse from receptor to center. Center receive the sensory impulse by afferent nerve fibers and in turn it generate appropriate motor impulse. Center is located in brain or spinal cord. Efferent or motor nerve transmit motor impulses from the center to the effector organ. Effector organ. Effector organ is the structure such as muscle or gland where the activity occurs in response to stimulus. Afferent and efferent nerve fibers may be connected directly to the center. In some places, one or more neurons are interposed between these nerve fibers and the center. Such neurons are called connector neuron or internuncial neurons or interneurons. Classification of reflexes. There are so many ways in this we can classify reflex. First one, depending upon whether inborn or acquired. Second, depending upon situation, anatomical classification. Third, depending upon purpose, physiological classification. Fourth, depending upon number of synapses. Fifth one, depending upon whether visceral or somatic. And sixth one is depending upon clinical basis. So first one, depending upon whether inborn or acquired reflex. Inborn reflex or unconditioned reflex. Unconditioned reflex are the natural reflex which are present since the time of birth, hence the name inborn reflex. Such reflexes don't require previous learning, training or conditioning. Best example is the secretion of saliva when a drop of honey is kept in mouth of a newborn baby for the first time. The baby doesn't know the taste of honey but still saliva is secreted. Acquired reflexes or conditions reflexes. Conditions or acquired reflexes are the reflexes that are developed after conditioning or training. These reflexes are not inborn but acquired after birth. Such reflexes need previous learning, training, or conditioning. Example is the secretion of saliva by sight, smell, and thought, or hearing of a known edible substance. Depending upon clinical basis, reflexes are classified into four types: superficial reflex, deep reflex, visceral reflex, and last one is pathological reflex. Superficial reflex. Superficial reflexes are the reflex which are elicited from the surface of body. Superficial reflex are of two types: mucous membrane reflex and skin reflex. Mucous membrane reflex. Mucous membrane reflex arise from mucous membrane. Cutaneous reflexes or skin reflex. Cutaneous reflex are the elicited from skin by the stimulation of cutaneous receptor. Deep reflex. Deep reflex are elicited from deeper structure beneath the skin like tendon. These reflexes are otherwise known as tendon reflexes. Visceral reflex. Visceral reflex are the reflexes arising from pupil and visceral organs. Pathological reflex. Pathological reflex are the reflex that are elicited only in pathological condition. Well-known pathological reflexes are Babinski sign, clonus, and pendular movements. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.